Hello everyone! Today is the 50th Brick+Brick video, and I hope you're excited, because today is definitely going to be an exciting day, because we're going to be building the 50 in our 50th video. So, let's get started. Alright, now that we're done, I'm going to show you how to build it. So first, let's build our spot. So we get to start like this, then this, and then this here, that there, and that there. And I might as well tell you all the pieces we need, which is two 2x3 inverted slope piece, well, only two of those, 1x2 inverted pieces, and like 1x2 regular pieces, sorry. One 2x2 inverted piece, and a 2x3 slope piece. Now we've got our 5 done, let's get our 0 done. So we'll use these two 2x4 block pieces. Put them there. Like that. And then just put these 1x2s on top of each other. Like that. And then just put one on top of the other. And we've got our 50. I hope you enjoyed this episode, aka the 50th video on Brick+Brick. And I hope you subscribe, because we have a goal to reach 50 subscribers, because we reached video number 50 by the end of 9 weeks. So please subscribe, and also hit the notification bell, because then you'll know when our videos come out. And I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, definitely subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!